Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Afritadang Manok. Start your culinary journey by gathering all your ingredients. We'll be using 1 kilogram of chicken, cut into perfect serving pieces. Don't forget your vegetables, 2 medium potatoes and 1 large carrot, both diced, plus 1 red and 1 green bell pepper, sliced. And of course, the heart of our sauce, 1 cup of rich tomato sauce, along with 1 onion and Now, let's get cooking. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and sauté your minced garlic and chopped onions until they are wonderfully fragrant. Next, add your chicken pieces, browning them lightly on all sides. Pour in 1 cup of rich tomato sauce and 1 cup of water or chicken broth. Bring this delicious mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Moving on to more complex creations, 3-dimensional avatar items come with a different fee structure. If you're looking to upload accessories, full avatar bodies, or animations, there is a significant fee of 750 Robux per submission. It's important to note that these fees are typically non-refundable, even if your item does not pass the moderation process. So, plan your 3-dimensional designs carefully. For the grand finale, stir in your colorful sliced red and green bell peppers. Cook for just an additional 5 minutes, allowing them to become tender crisp, adding a lovely texture and freshness. If you wish, garnish your dish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chopped spring onions. Your homemade Afritadang Manok is now ready to be served hot, ideally alongside a generous portion of steamed white rice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.